Hello and welcome to One Cup Cricket. Today we've got you a special presentation. Of course, the India Test Series is on. और इसीलिए हम थोड़ा एक historical perspective ले रहे हैं and we are going to talk about the openers who have featured in this rivalry, in this amazing, fantastic contest that has been happening for several years now. और मेरे साथ गंतव्य है जो हम आज करने वाले हैं वो ये है कि 1970 onwards जितने भी openers रहे इस contest में, we'll put them in 5 categories. The categories are legendary, world class, professional, semi-pro, rubbish. If you think that this resembles some football game where those resemblances are absolutely coincidental. But let's dive right into it. Gantavya, let's start from the 70s because हम 70 की बात कर रहे हैं और उस दशक में हमें मिला एक बहुत ही खास opener in the form of Sunil Gavaskar. So let me ask you, where do you put Sunil Gavaskar in these categories?
I mean, it's hard to not put him in legendary, right? Because, I mean, over the span of 15 years and just the sheer volume of runs he has, I think 2,500 run hai unke almost just against England. And to go on 5 tours on England and perform decently well in almost all of them. And उसके ऊपर से उनके जो दो, एक वो double century थी and एक 101 था England में. Those are probably 2 of the greatest knocks by Indian openers against England. So yeah, everything stacks in his favor, I think.
Yeah, lots of matches against England. Probably, I think, 30 odd matches. अब के ज़माने में शायद होता नहीं है कि एक player इतने matches खेले किसी एक opposition के against. So yeah, lots of interesting.
उस जमाने में भी नहीं होता I think.
Yeah, and again, like after his West Indian debut where he scored 774, he went to England, did not have the greatest series. In fact, he went on to have 74 में जब वो वापस England गए तब उनको एक वापस century मिली. So, but still, like the sheer amount of runs that he gathered over the 30 odd tests, that's...
And he had one great tour in England at least. वो जो 79 का tour था.
Yeah, we'll move on from one test great of India to someone who is now being called test great, and especially with the kind of test series that he had at home against England last year. Yashasvi Jaiswal, where would you put him, Gantavya?
I mean, थोड़ा सा unfair है कि he is still young and he has just played one match in England. I am tempted to put him in legendary, but just because कि उनका career अभी भी active है, I'll probably put him in world class. क्योंकि वर्ल्ड क्लास तो वो है ऑलरेडी there is no doubt about it, right? He's probably the best opener across the two teams right now.
Yeah, maybe Mendaket would disagree, but yeah.
हाँ, but वो it's a discussion and especially क्योंकि हम इंडिया वर्सेस इंग्लैंड डिस्कस कर रहे हैं तो उन्होंने 250 रन से आउटस्कोर किया था सबको पिछले सीरीज में, which is insane, right?
Yes, and again, as you said कि वो उनकी गलती नहीं है कि when we are recording this उन्होंने एक ही टेस्ट खेला है और एक टेस्ट में सेंचुरी भी मारी है, so not bad at all. And जब उन्होंने इंडिया में खेला था तो डबल सेंचुरीज लगातार 2 मारी थी. So definitely loves the English bowling attack, and yeah, I think maybe by the end of this series we will know whether he can actually reach that legendary status. I think both of us agree that Yashasvi Jaiswal goes into world class. And then we move to his counterpart, who is playing a big role in this series and played a big role in the last series as well, because apparently उन्हीं ने सबको inspire किया था the way, England plays, the way baseball plays, everyone is playing according to him because of that. So Ben Duckett, small height but big stature based on what he has done recently.
If we have one of the game's pioneers among us, तो फिर
who Ben Duckett क्या है वो तो जब WG Grace के रूप में Ben Duckett है.
In all honesty, again he falls in the same bracket as Jaiswal, right? क्योंकि again उनका first tour था इंडिया का, मतलब practically it was his first tour, although वो एक बार
2016 was his start of his career.
Let's not count that. Yeah, he was practically England's sole hope and crucial moments में century मारी उन्होंने, and ये वाला जो test था Leeds ने basically उन्होंने single handedly जीता है उनको.
Correct, I think वही है जो 2 series रहे हैं and he has to score that sort of a century चौथे innings में मैच के. I think that's incredible.
बुमराह factor भी mention करना I think important है because he is doing all this when facing Bumrah in his prime and who had a generational series against England in India.
Yeah, and I think he hasn't been Bumrah as the other left-handed opener Usman Khawaja was in Australia. Moving on to another left-hander, 160 tests in 12 years. Started with a century against India, ended with a century against India. Alistair Cook. Where would you put him, Gantavya?
You go first, Amit, this time because ये बहुत ज़्यादा confusing है मेरे लिए.
Yeah, I think I'll be very honest. Okay, the numbers look great, and 294 at Edgbaston, thanks to some generosity by Ishant Sharma. My problem with Alistair Cook will always remain the same. He's not a cricketer anyone would pay to watch. So yes, great numbers, number of wins that he contributed in India, England, surely a lot of them. Lekin Alistair Cook
But yaar,
doesn't.
7 centuries.
I know.
2,500 runs.
And do you
almost.
remember any of them? Do you remember any of them?
I only remember the ईशांत शर्मा. मेरे को तभी याद है जब उनके वो चांसेस मिस हुए या फिर कोई कंट्रोवर्सी हुई वो जैसे बेल वाली थी.
Yeah, no, I think.
Otherwise, I have
but
no
also
clue.
let's also give it to him because the 2012 series
Yeah.
जहाँ पे इंडिया में आकर इंग्लैंड जीती, I think there was a big role that he played in them getting that series win. Of course, नाम ज्यादा
80 का एवरेज.
correct. Kevin Peterson का वो 186 सब बात करते हैं, but a lot of people don't talk about Alistair
Yeah.
Cook. So yes, I think begrudgingly मैं उनको legendary में डाल ही दूंगा because there is no way you can argue with those
Yeah.
numbers. But yes, I'm never going to pay
मतलब वही
to watch Alistair Cook in the stadium.
आई थिंक एलिस्टर कुक भी पे नहीं करेंगे खुद को देखने के लिए. आई थिंक इज वेरी सेल्फ अवेयर अबाउट दैट.
So then he goes into legendary without a doubt. Next man, again, the other end of the spectrum when we talk about Alistair Cook, Virender Sehwag.
पेंडुलम जैसे स्विंग
Yes,
करे.
Virender Sehwag 2002 में उन्होंने पहले बार ओपन किया था लॉर्ड्स टेस्ट में. I think 80 odd रन बनाए थे. उसके बाद he had a fantastic run as an opener for India. But did he do enough against England to earn that legendary tag और कहाँ पर रहेंगे आपके लिए गंतव्य?
I think Sehwag against pace and bounce world class, against spin world class, but against lateral movement थोड़े वो amateur जैसे ही दिखते थे. I mean, let's be honest, the numbers are also horrific and he just never got the hang of how to play that late swing that England
Yes,
produces.
got a king pair in Birmingham, if I remember, on 2011 tour.
Yeah.
And yes, that's very true. Like his numbers would look very ordinary if you only pick up the, his record in England. हालांकि 2007 tour में गए भी नहीं थे. दिनेश कार्तिक and वसीम जाफर were our openers. So he missed out on that tour. But उसके अलावा he did play a number of series and 2008 में चेन्नई टेस्ट में बहुत बड़ा contribution था उनका to help us get that 387 on the last day. But simply said, he will not make it to legendary. In my opinion, he will not even make it to world class. What do you think, Gantavya? Professional or semi-pro?
Because you cannot ignore his performances in India and semi-pro.
So yes, I think I agree. I think Sehwag, India, great. England, absolutely at the other end of the spectrum. Now we go to the next team, which is Graham Gooch. Again, another opener with lots of runs, with the most number of runs if you count across formats. List A, first class, 64,000 runs. But how did he fare against India? And how much do we remember anything beyond the 333 he scored? वो गंतव्य आपको बताएंगे. गंतव्य legendary, world class, professional, semi pro. कहाँ पर डालेंगे आप ग्रेम कुच को?
The thing is कि it's that 333 is so
Yeah.
iconic कि you just have to give him respect for that. But if you see India में he never really hit those highs, right?
Bit like Sehwag.
He had that great tour. Yeah, exactly. उनका वो एक अच्छा टूर था 81 में. But उसके अलावा even though he had the longevity, if you look at the sheer impact, तो how many knocks do you remember 35 years down the line? Gooch knock is one of those knocks, right? तो I think उसके लिए उनको एक थोड़ा bump deserve
So I think he
करते हैं.
fit in professional.
Yeah, professional is what I mean.
Cool.
Yeah. Because he has a similar record to Sehwag, but just because of that triple tap,
Okay.
professional fits that.
Next is a man who quite famously decided to play golf when his team needed him. A man called Geoffrey Boycott. And very famously called current Indian coach rubbish on air. Geoffrey Boycott again. And very interestingly, he is the only person to have been dropped after scoring a double century because the selectors felt that he played selfishly, he played too slow. And that's what happened in 1967 against India. So yeah, Geoffrey Boycott, always a man you would have great numbers with. Lekin, how much of an impact did he have? And I think these are the little anecdotes which will help you figure out गंतव्य कहाँ जाएंगे वो. World class, professional, semi-pro. I'm pretty sure legendary तो नहीं जाएंगे.
हाँ, I mean that is true. But आपने बोला कि he was dropped after the double ten for playing slow. But if I look at his numbers, that was the series against India जिसमें उनका highest strike rate of nearly 45 because उसके बाद तो वो और भी slow थे. He has a series where he strikes at 33 only. I haven't watched much of Boycott because उस जमाने की footage मिलना भी बहुत मुश्किल है, but just by the I haven't heard much of him doing much against England bar that 78 cut tour.
Not particularly a fan of Geoffrey Boycott, either of us.
I mean, who is? Yeah.
Rubish. So
Rubish, perfect.
Now we come to the man called Rubish, which is Gautam Gambhir. Yes, so where do we go with Gautam Gambhir?
Again, he never really figured it out England में जाके, right?
True.
And as much you hate him for saying it, he was actually Rubish, right? मतलब, he wasn't wrong. It's just that कि we know कि वो उनका probably only intention नहीं था.
Correct.
But if you go by the words, he was correct. So
Okay.
I don't know what more to say.
So do we also put Geoffrey Boycott and
Yeah,
Gautam
Gambhir in
both
that
Rubish?
Rubish category fits fine for both. Yeah, it's like poetic justice है थोड़ा.
Next man in is a man known more for his white ball exploits. लेकिन England के against he has very good numbers. Rohit Sharma. Now, of course, he has retired from Test. लेकिन I think England 2021 is probably the best Rohit Sharma played in an away series, isn't it?
Best Rohit Sharma played in Test cricket probably. I think क्योंकि
Yeah,
I think there is something about England that just brought the best out of Rohit Sharma. मतलब opening वाला भी ODI का break Champions Trophy में he had in England.
Yeah,
and
true.
Away में वो struggles उनका हर जगह रहा, but England में that one tour, that is the only moment I think when I felt कि oh,
we made the right
how
decision.
much did we miss out on
Yeah.
Rohit Sharma opening the batting. And फिर जब even recent में भी if you think that England series in
India,
the latest
Pandemic
one was
one?
probably his last. No, not the 2024 one.
Okay.
Was probably his last
Good
great,
series, correct.
That is what is probably his swan song, right?
Yeah.
That is where he was last at his
Should have been his own song.
Should have been, yeah. Yeah,
Correct.
that is what I meant.
Correct. So where do we put Rohit
So-
Sharma? And I think if we are talking about Rohit Sharma in Test, we need to talk about his Chennai knock in 2021. I think one of the better Rohit Sharma knocks on a track like
Yeah.
that. So yeah. So lots of Rohit Sharma good knocks against England. And I think for that very reason, I think world class would be the right place to put him.
It's between world class legend. World class actually seems.
Yeah, we've put a lot of people in world class. We've been very generous. And except
तो-
if your name is Boycott. They've been pretty generous.
Or if you play at a strike rate of 30, then you're legendary.
Can't be generous. Anyway, so from Rohit Sharma to the person who actually opened in England 2021, 2018 and is opening again in 2025. KL Rahul.
Probably the most divisive man. मतलब when it comes to opinions.
True.
I've never seen someone split opinions like him.
Yeah, and
Which is a cue for you to tell me, Amit.
काफी interesting now that I
Where would
think
you
of
like
it because he has a 199 also in the 2016 series. Same match where Karun Nair
And
scored
it-
300. So yeah, like और
Yeah.
हर tour में
It
century
was
है.
like the
her and opening the batting, so that makes for a great reading. But I think he's played a lot of matches also, so like eventually
But
the average
नहीं
doesn't read
उनके
quite
12 ही
well.
matches है as opener उनके 12 ही match है against England. मतलब which
In
is
England,
it is a lot still.
in England or total 12
In-
matches.
In England he has 8 matches.
Yeah,
And the latest ones for 9.
yeah.
That is true. But again, that 199 probably sums it up, right? Ki he did everything right. Again, I think I will put him in world class, and I would say he still has the potential to make it too legendary. if
I
he
think with
gets it right this
2035 में भी हम यही बात कर रहे होंगे with regards to
yeah,
KL Rahul.
perfect. That is, I could not have said it better.
Yeah,
That
so,
is KL Rahul.
so that's where I would disagree with you a little. Maybe it's just my general bias against the man. I am not Sanjeev Goenka, but still, I just feel yes, 3 centuries look very good, but beyond and like one of those centuries came in that lost cause where, of course, Rishabh Pant also, like all of them came. No, 2 of them came in lost
But
cause.
then again, KL Rahul did his part in that match, right? मतलब he could not have done.
Yeah, that's also true. ठीक है. Again, begrudgingly only, but I'll put him in professional. And I think with that, we come to the end of this presentation. One Cup Cricket, India-England opener special. आप भी बताइए आपके हिसाब से कौन से नाम है जो हमने मिस कर दिए। हमने कोशिश करी है 70 से लेकर 2025 तक जितने बड़े बड़े नाम थे उनकी बात करें। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ट्यूनिंग इन। आप भी कमेंट्स में बताइए कि आपके हिसाब से कौन से ओपनर्स है who should have featured in this list.